In today's video, I'm going to review to you some good side hustles for stay-at-home mom. These side hustles I'm going to tell you about today are the ones that will not interfere with your normal daily routine of taking care of the home and the children. I'm happy you're excited to hear about this. And some of these side hustles will also be good for people that are underemployed. Who is an unemployed person? An unemployed person is a person who works, but the money you are earning is not enough to take care of your bills. You are working and yet you are poor. You are working and yet you are borrowing money. You are working and yet you cannot take care of your basic needs. You are underemployed. You need additional source of income. Listen, some of these side hustles I'm going to tell you about now will be very good for you. Now, as a stay-at-home mom, why do you need a side hustle? I want you to know some of the reasons why you need to start a side hustle as a stay-at-home mom. You need a side hustle because you need to be financially independent. You need financial freedom. And when you don't have your own money, you cannot take personal financial decisions. Another reason is that it will increase your circle of friends. When you're just at home taking care of the kids, your circle of friends are limited. It is so isolating. Your circle of friends are limited to your neighbors, your church members, and then no, you don't have much friends. But if you start this side hustle, it will connect you. If it's once you are doing online, it will connect you globally. It will connect you to so many people. You will get so many contacts and you'll be busy chatting, discussing, negotiating with people. It will keep you busy and you will not feel lonely or isolated again. The third reason why you need this side hustle is for personal fulfillment and empowerment. You know, when you are doing side hustle, it offers the opportunity to pursue that your interest, to do that thing you love doing, to pursue your interest. And then the satisfaction you feel by seeing yourself establishing a side business and accomplishing it, you know, it will give you a sense of fulfillment and empowerment. Finally, future career opportunity. The skills and experiences you acquire through this side hustle will prepare you very well when you finally decide to engage fully in the workforce. Let's dive into the side hustles you can do as a stay-at-home mom. The first side hustle I recommend for every stay-at-home mom is Kindle Direct Self-Publishing in Amazon. Amazon offers opportunity to everybody, whether you know how to write or you don't know how to write, for everybody to self-publish simple reports, simple ebooks, low content books, and then you earn royalties every month. You earn royalties every time somebody buys your book. This is a very huge opportunity, and some people are cashing out through it. Some people are rich through self-publishing ebooks, self-publishing low content books in Amazon. You might tell me, say, what do I write? I don't know how to write. Yes, if you don't know how to write, you can go to freelancing websites like Fiverr and you get writers there. You get writers, they will write for you, you pay them, and then you upload it. And once you upload it, it is there. It will continue to generate money for you. And from one you upload two, you upload three, and you keep earning. So some people are earning huge amount of money every month, every day. Once a sale is made, you will see it in your dashboard. When you check your earning, you will see it. So it's a great way of making money. So you are not advertising, you're not asking anybody to buy, you're not asking anybody to do anything. Once you upload, you have finished your work. The only thing is for you to be waiting to earn your royalty. You understand? So you will have videos on how to get started in YouTube videos. If you still want me to give you a course on that, I will do it. You will let me know in the comment section. Number 2 is YouTube video creation. The skill you need is to learn how to edit videos. You can use your mobile phone to make your videos and then edit it as well. So you can go to YouTube and watch videos on how to edit videos. Then you open a YouTube channel. It is free, and you start making your videos. When you join the YouTube partnership program and get monetized, YouTube will start paying you. And there are other ways you can earn through YouTube. You can earn through sponsored ads. You can also earn through membership and affiliate marketing. So you can start this YouTube video creation at home. Maybe there is a skill or experience or training you have already acquired, but it is just dormant there and you have not been using it. You can start teaching people how to do search online through YouTube. So learn how to edit videos and start uploading your videos on YouTube and make money. And this you can do at a flexible time. You can do it when your children are sleeping. You can do it when they have gone to school. So you have your own time, you create your own time and do it when you have chance. So this is a very good work for a very good side hustle for stay at home mom and even anybody who needs additional source of income. Number 4 is information marketing. What is information marketing? Information marketing is creating of books of information, provide a solution to people's problem through your information products. You sell it to them and then you make your money. And this information product is always digital products that can be in form of ebook, video, audio files and so on. You can even create a course and sell online. So if you don't know what to write, you have ideas. You have a places you can go to generate ideas of what people want, of the information people are looking for. You go to Google and search for that. Then you will see so many ideas of what people are looking for. Then you go to PLR websites to get free ebooks that you can edit or you can even put your name as the author. So I'll give you see some PLR websites you can go to download some free books you can use and that will help you in creating your information product. If you don't want to write at all, you can go to freelancing website like Fiverr and hire somebody to do it for you at a token, and then you sell your product online and continue to make consistent income. Now you can host your product in websites like seller.com for free. You can even have affiliates to help you sell it for free. So you go to seller.com and host it for free and begin to drive traffic to it and sell your product. So if you want to start information marketing, I have a guide that will help you. Go to the pin message and get the guide that will help you on how to generate hot selling topics, how to write your information product, how to get your download link, everything down to marketing. You will see it in that course. The 4th side hustle, this one is exclusively only for stay-at-home mom, is
daycare and after-school services.
It's good for anyone who has passion for children and who has space in her house. Now listen, if you know you don't have passion for children, for taking care of children, you don't like noise, you don't like their cries, please don't do this, so that you don't harm people's children. Now if you don't have enough space in your house and you cannot rent somewhere to run this, it's not suitable for you. So if you have passion for children and you have enough space, you can start it in your house. Start it in one of your rooms and then you can expand later. But you have to find out the certification and qualification that is required. Do the necessary registration, legalize it, and then start advertising with your mouth. Start advertising with your mouth. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your church members, and people that know you will trust their kids in your care. You can, in addition to the daycare, start after school lessons for these kids and you charge their parents for it and you get paid. Now see the awesomeness of these daycare services. In line with taking care of other people's children, you're also taking care of your own kids simultaneously. Your kids are not separated from you, and as you are doing this work simultaneously, you are being paid for it. So you check if you have enough space and you love kids, then start a daycare in your house. You can start with one child, from there you increase. Finally, the last side hustle I want to recommend is staking of coin in cryptocurrency. I'm not talking of trading, because if you don't have enough knowledge and experience in trading, you keep losing your money. But this one is staking. What is staking of cryptocurrency? You buy a coin, a digital coin, you will keep it, you will not use it for a specific period of time, and it will appreciate in value. You keep earning, you have your earning for staking. So some network, they will pay you in percentage, while some will give a specific amount they are paying. In a layman's language, is like having a fixed deposit account in your bank account. You know that the money you fix deposit, you don't touch it. So it is the same thing with this staking of coin. Now there's a wonderful coin that just came newly, and they are paying 3% every day. 3% of what you stake every day. So if you have not tried it before, because of the welcome bonus, so that you not put your money in what you don't like, I'll drop a link for the registration. Once you register, you are going to receive 500 Katri as welcome bonus, which will be staked automatically, so that you see how it goes. Every day you get 3% of what you stake. As one of my friends that staked $100, every day she's getting 3%. In 90 days she already has $90, because in 10 days you're getting 30% of what you stake. So in 1 month you're getting 90%, and your capital is there. Now 90% is just the gain, the bonus you got for the staking the coin. Do you understand? So this is a way of making money without stress, without sweat, without even talking to anybody. People will think you are playing with your phone. They will not know you are just pressing button and money is coming in. So instead of leaving your money in the bank, which doesn't appreciate, why not take a little risk and buy some coin and stake? And this card I'm going to give you, you must have a verified Binance account. And to verify Binance is not difficult. Download the Binance app from Play Store, and then you verify it. If you're from a country like Nigeria, you can use your BVN and verify your Binance account. So it is not a question of I don't have international passport. So you can start with this. Stake the bonus given to you, welcome bonus, and see how it works. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not done so. Share and like the video. Meet you in the next one. Bye.